In this tutorial, we are going to show you how you can create filter option in Microsoft Excel. Look, here is a two column. We want to filter on brand column. For that, we need to select this row. Then we need to go to the Home tab. Then here you can see an option sort and filter. Click here. Here you can see that there is an option filter. Click here. That's it, your filter option has been arrived in the Microsoft Excel. Now you can filter any kinds of option from there. If you want to show only Lenovo product or Lenovo brand here, you can filter it. Click Lenovo, then OK. Look, only Lenovo is appeared. On the other hand, if you want to select all the things, then select all and then click OK. Look, here all the product has been arrived. This is how you can create filter option in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching the video.